Award-winning SAP Support Portal is your primary resource for critical tasks, important updates, and quick access to all of SAP's live support channels. We've updated the top navigation menu to make it easier to quickly find what you need. SAP Support Portal is easy to navigate, and you can access it from anywhere, at any time, on any device. The top navigation menu is organized by tasks, tools, and resource categories. The My Support menu includes SAP for Me, a list of available live support channels, resources such as SAP Knowledge Base articles, SAP Notes, guided answers, and downloads, as well as My Trust Center, and more. Use the search bar to quickly find the answers you need. Your customizable menu allows you to choose your most common tasks. Click on the Customize button to see all available task icons. Choose your most frequently used tasks for fast access to reporting and managing cases, maintaining systems, administering your users, and more. The Support Portal provides new customers with resources on how to get started, including an accreditation program, webinars, FAQs, videos, and more. Browse the latest product support news in the feature carousel, or click on the news articles listed below. You can visit all our communities and connect with your peers, read the latest blogs, and find helpful wikis. Visit SAP Support Portal today at support.sap.com.